Bugatti Chiron Sport promises improved handling. 2 years after introducing the Chiron, Bugatti is rolling out a version that promises even better performance. The Bugatti Chiron Sport receives a handling package and a healthy dose of carbon fiber, but no boost in output over the standard model. The Chiron Sport benefits from stiffer suspension settings and sharper steering when set to handling mode. Bugatti retuned the rear differential, and a new dynamic torque vectoring feature sends torque individually to the wheels on each side for improved agility no matter the selected driving mode. The Sport manages to shed about 40 pounds from the standard model with new lightweight wheels, lighter glass for the rear window, and a lighter, 4-pipe exhaust deflector. Carbon fiber, found on the intercooler cover and stabilizer, also contributes to this weight savings. Packing a 8.0-liter W16, the Bugatti Chiron Sport offers the same 1,479 horsepower and 1,180 pounds-feet of torque as the standard model. But Bugatti says the supercar can lap the Nardo handling circuit in the south of Italy 5 seconds quicker than the standard Chiron. The automaker also claims the Sport can reach its full handling potential even at cornering speeds greater than 124 miles per hour. Smaller improvements include carbon fiber windshield wipers, engine start button and drive mode knob with anodized black finish, and Sport logos inside the cabin. There are different two-tone color schemes available for the exterior: red, blue, silver, or dark gray, paired with a gray carbon for the rear of the vehicle. Buyers can bathe their Chiron Sport in leather or Alcantara. Carbon fiber is left exposed on the dashboard, backrests, door trim, and steering column. Bugatti will deliver the first copies of the Chiron Sport by the end of the year. So how about the price tag? In the US, the Chiron Sport will cost $3.67 million when it arrives. It's likely Bugatti will inject more power into the Chiron at some point. Special versions of the Veyron, including the Super Sport, delivered 200 more HP than the standard version. However, 1,479 horsepower should be plenty for most mortals.